Hello, Chef James with Eat Naked Kitchen. Today we are doing a video for Valentine's Day. I like to look at Valentine's Day as a day of taking care of yourself. Now, most people, they're focusing on candy and chocolate and gifting, those kind of things. But you know, that's a problem when you're trying to be healthy. I thought it'd be a great day to share with you a recipe I do make when I have a sweet tooth. This is one I put in Dr. Alejandro Younger's newest book, Clean 7. This is a recipe, it's called the Black Forest Shake. And it's kind of the closest thing you can get to something chocolatey, something sweet without adding any real sugar. First, what I have to do is have my ingredients. So I have about a half a cup of frozen cherries. That's gonna basically be our sweetener for this item. I have some pumpkin, or this one is actually butternut squash. This is already pre-cooked. I get it in a can and I make sure that the label says 100%. Okay, there should be no sugar, there should be no like pumpkin pie mix. This is going to be our thickener. And then I have about 2 cups of almond milk or rice milk. Then I also have some flavor enhancers. So I have some cacao, I have some powdered stevia, and I have some, this is MCT oil, which is basically like coconut oil. And then I also have some sea salt. So let's go ahead and add our ingredients. You know, a lot of people don't know this, but Valentine's Day actually is a very, very special day for me because it's also my anniversary day. I'm gonna add some liquid. I'm gonna then add my flavors. So we're doing cacao, and in this case, we're gonna do 1 tablespoon. And if you like it a little bit more kind of chocolatey, you can add more than that. I'm going to add a little bit of MCT oil. In this case, I'm just doing about a teaspoon. I'm not going to add the stevia because I don't need it. Now, depending on your dosha, you can also add ice. Now, a couple of the doshas it's recommended that you don't have cold product, but for those that can, adding some ice to this would be nice. And now I'm just going to pour this out. And this is just a really good drink for the morning. Kids will like this. Let's give it a taste. Yeah, that's really good. You can also use less liquid to make it thicker. You can use more butternut squash or pumpkin to also make it thicker. I can add the ice. There's lots of different variations you can do on this. This is definitely giving me like that chocolatey fix, which is exactly what you want on a day that's associated with candy and love. Happy Valentine's Day to you.